All right, I will back to my task. Is that okay,
Okay,
Mark?
thanks, Paul. Yeah,
No
thank
problem.
you.
Okay, so this one, I just need to drag the sidewall for it.
Can you share screen again, sir?
I'm sharing my screen. Can you see it?
No, I think it was paused.
Okay, let me share again. It's weird. Give me the arrow. Can you see my screen now, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one to submit. All right, let's continue for this one. Let's zoom in. So for this one, guys, when you see the fake building, delete it. Okay, just simply delete it, and you can submit it directly. Let's see what task I got here. Let's see what kind of what should I do for this kind of arrow? It's really weird. Here. Oh, this one is down. So when this from this angle, it's very hard to use the trace tool. You have to zoom in a lot. Right? That's my experience from this kind of task. So when you zoom in a lot, you should be able to see the assist line to help you draw the building, and then use ALT. You should be able to move it and match on the right. Okay, so this is good. So now this is matched. Let's confirm the rest of the view and submit this task. All right, it's all matched pretty good. And then press Y. No sidewall. So I'll just submit it for this task. All right, let's continue. So for this task, let's fix it. Doesn't need to be perfect. Or it doesn't need to be perfect. And then this is our major part, right? This is our major part. Don't delete and redraw, okay? Don't delete and redraw. It's okay. We have some lines. It's not matched perfectly, but this is okay. All right, don't delete and redraw. Always repair. Always repair. Repair is much faster. And then you hold Control, right? Match on that right dash line. Then that is okay. We can ignore some small error of this small structure, and this one is matched already. Press F3 to confirm directly. Press F2. Press F3. Press F2. Press F3. This task is done. So that is how you should done. That is how you should work in 3D matching. Fix on the left. You don't delete and redraw, always repair. And it's okay, it's not being done perfectly. Then we hold Control to match on the right, to match the right dash line in the right view. After it's matched, we hold Shift to match the right view layer and then press F2, go to the next one, press F3 to confirm, press F2, go to the next one. After 4 views is done, submit. Okay, so don't make sure, guys, after you remember the workflow, this project is going to be very easy. All right, for this one, guys, what should I do? I just need to repair, right? Don't delete and redraw, even though the result is a mess from what I see here. And for this one, repair. Oh, shoot. And this will be our major part, okay? This will be our major part. When you cannot see the left image clearly, then guys, make sure you can use the right image as a reference to help you to do the repair work better. Okay, now I have done the repair. As you can see, it's not perfect. Then what should I do? I hold Control to match it one by one. And this one, right? So make sure you will match on the major part. So this one, good. This one's good. All right, because I cannot see this building clearly. Let's try again. All right, because I made some. I should use when I repair it. I should use the red image to as a reference to help me to fix it better. So it will help me to match it better. So this is good. All right, ignore this small structure. All right, go to the next one. And reviewers, I want you guys to also refresh your quality requirement for this project and allow this kind of task to be approved. It's very important. So, so our guys could speed up after they are confident with what they are doing. Okay, that is good. They all submit. We don't need to be perfect on the right angle. We just need to make sure the major part, the major structure of the building is being done properly. Let's go to this one. This one is nice because we have a very clear left image. And let's check on this side. So this building is fixed, all right? You don't need to zoom in like this to fix these details. It's no need. All right, and then you drag the sidewall for this building, match it, then move, hold shift to move, it's matched. Very easy. This is also good, right? Just press F3, press F2. This one is matched, press F3 to match, to confirm. Then it's done, submit. So it wouldn't take me more than 40 or 50 seconds to finish a task like this. Very quick repair on the left, and then you do the control to match it. Okay, so I gave me the boundary overlap. So for this one, I got a boundary overlap right here. I may need to redrag the wall because I think the wall is a little bit too long. So in this kind of case, this could, this is a little bit waste of my time, but I believe this vector is locked. So we just need to avoid this this arrow here. Okay, so this is good. This should be good. I was making a mistake. Okay, so now submit. Now this arrow should be gone. I was dragging because I found out this actually the red action I won't move if you drag the wall. So I just follow the neighbor of the wall direction and drag the wall a little bit and match it. Then let's check this one. So for this task, it's pretty annoying because it's blocked by the tree, but we have the red image to help us to distinguish the footprint, right, where the building is. And the part in the backyard from this red image, you can see it's not part of the building. So let's use the repair tool to get rid of that. Okay, so now this task is the left view is basically fixed. And then let's hold Control to drag the wall for it. And it's matched. And just hold Shift. I think this got overlap here. So I will move this part a little bit more out, and let me do a topology check to see. Yeah, so it's overlap. So in this case, guys, just move this line, move this point out of this neighbor building. Let me check again. Okay, that's good. So the overlap is gone. So let's confirm the rest of the right view. So it's matched pretty good, right? So we can move a little bit, hold Shift to match it better, right? All the coordinates be matched, all the lines has been matched. Then press F3 for this one. And press F, we can move this a little bit to this part. Smash, nice. So all the building has been down, all the right view has been down, even though we encounter some like overlap issue. So this could add me up some time, but it could just take me around, 1 minute. All right, for this one, it's very simple, right? One single structure in the construction area. So let's match it. It can be matched. There no need to fix on the left. So I just check the right view. And it's good. It's good. So I'll submit. Well, this kind of task is very easy. So but you need to know what you are doing. All right, this is very important. Knowing what you are doing, knowing the project principle, knowing the rules, understanding the workflow to help you improve the speed, to help you improve your quality. All right, like this one. So this one is a fake building, right? It's not even a building. It's labeled on the driveway. So just delete it. All right, make sure you delete the fake building and submit. Check a few more tasks like this one. Let me see. Target building has already been labeled, so I'll submit. It's good. So let's wait a little bit for the next task. So far, any questions, guys? Any questions? Do you guys understand this project better?